we will see how the React testing, the JEST testing is done. Okay. For example, I have one examples. For example, this is the code, right? This is a React code on the left side. This is a React code, and we have to write a test case for this one. And let me show you the output. The output is this one. For example, the confirm box is the one which I just showed you. It just has a confirm box. Is this a component? And we are having few props. Submit model, on confirm, message, button display is the props. And we have few functions: submit value, close module, and all this, handle confirm, and all this is the functions. What we are doing is, if we are clicking on confirm, for example, I'll show you. If I'm clicking on confirm, I need to get submit value. If I'm clicking cancel, I'm clicking close model. I'm getting close model. So how we are getting is handle closes, we are getting close model. The close model function is defined over here. Okay, that's it. The same as confirm. If on confirm is true. If on confirm is true, we are getting this one. And where we are showing if on confirm is true is in the app component. We are passing the props. Look, on confirm, if handle confirm is true, if submit model is true, and if button display is true. So these are the props which we are passing to the parent component. Okay, the parent component and the child component. So this is the code. Now let's see how, if let's say if anyone asks you to write test for this component, how are we going to write the test? Let's go ahead and see. First, I'll give you a very brief explanation, and then you'll understand more. And let's go deep inside in some time. Okay. So, for example, if you see over here, we are using the mount and enzyme. So we are using the mount and wrapper from the enzyme. Enzyme is the library. JEST is the framework, correct? So JEST is the framework we are using. Okay, now first we are defining props. So describe is the one which groups all the tests. So describe is grouping all the tests. So what we are describing, we are naming the component name. So confirm box. Confirm box is just a name. You can give any name. You can give even your name. You can give even Shalkan, whatever it is. This is just the name. Now describe. Now we are defining as props. So props, whatever props we want, we are defining it inside it. So these props are the things which we have passed it in the actual function. Look, we are defined submit model, submit model, submit value, where is submit value, submit value. But submit value is not a props, it is a function, correct? This is a function, this is not props in this one. So that is the reason why we are writing just dot function. Similarly, close model. Close model, we don't have it as over here. We have it as a function. So that's the reason we have written as a function, just dot function. Next, message. Message we have as a prop. So that is the reason we have written as, but that's not a Boolean value. We are defining something. We are getting some value. We can write as any mock value, any dummy value, message. Next, buttons display. Buttons display is also props. So we can just give it a Boolean value if it is a true or false. Look, it's true. So over here in the right side, if you see, only if it is true, it has to display this. So that is the reason we have put it as true. And submit model, if you ask me over here, we don't see submit model, then why we are putting it away? But over here, if you see in the parent component, we are putting the submit value, submit model. So submit model is true. We are passing it. So that is the reason we have put as submit model. Okay. Okay. Now this is the props. Describe is the group of all the tests. Now, in a very brief overview, wrapper. So wrapper is the name again. We are giving it to this variable. And mounting. In React lifecycle, what we are trying to say is we are ready to accept, or we are ready to try to render this component. And how we are doing that is with the help of mount. So mounting means this is being rendered. This is being invoked, executed. Confirm box is a component, correct? Is a component what we are trying to write the test cases for. And over here, what we are saying is we are accepting all the props. This dot 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 means a spread operator, means we are accepting whatever props means just the input values. whatever the input values are there, we are ready to accept it, and everything is being accepted, and I'm trying to execute this. Once this is executed, this is being put in this variable wrapper. Now let's get into the test cases. Test. Some name, some meaningful sentence should render confirm box. So over here, confirm box is there, correct? Where is the confirm box? So confirm box. Okay. I mean, first is confirm box, the component. The component first, what we are saying is should render confirm box to have length 1. So if everything is good, then it should render the confirm box. So we are getting a confirm box and it will be having a length 1. Similarly, if everything is good, we are having a message. So message is over here, h5 message. So if everything is good, I need to find a h5 message component, and which should have length 1, meaning it should only have once. It should not have 2 or 3 messages, only one message. The last is wrapper.find button. So buttons, how many buttons are there? Have confirm and cancel. So the 2 buttons. If everything goes good, I should be having 2 buttons to have length 2. That is the reason to length 2. So this is the basic outer structure. But over here we didn't handle the failure scenarios. We didn't handle the if I click the confirm, what would be the message? If I click the cancel, what would be the message? Nothing. But just to get an idea of how the test cases are there, this is the description of the test. Describe wrapper, which is mounting test, expect of wrapper.find to have length 2. Okay. Now let's see the brief, detailed description. Actually, we'll see that in the next video. Let's give this short. Okay. Let's keep this short in the sense.